to take everything from you, like you took everything from me. See you back home, Spider-Man. Look what you've given me. My family won't even look at me. I created you. Into that. You created me into this. I created you. You created me. Our future. This is gonna be good for us, Spider-Man. Maybe you won't die. Hopefully. Goodbye.